Hi, morning. Say hi in the chat if you can hear my voice. It's been a while, right? Can you hear me? Sounds good. Alright. Miss me? Yeah, taking a week off last week. Last week was tough. Yeah, some of you may already know that we got walkthrough by a certain port firm. So I was like really frustrated at that time. So I just think, maybe I just take a week off. Because you have to have like decent mindset to trade. If you is emotional, is probably should take a break. Okay, take a look on price now. Yeah, we got giveaway today. All right, so stay tuned. I may start the giveaway anytime. So stay in this live stream, and you gotta be a subscriber to join it. So click like and subscribe. Okay, in higher time frame analysis, here price go down to this daily bullish average and go up again, hit this daily CB, and pass through it. And now we are in another daily CB. So let's see if price will react with this CB, go down maybe. If price like touch this daily CB, it may go down to this daily order block or maybe even lower with this daily bullish average. But if not, if price just, pass through it, straight pass through it, it means it's fucking bullish, all right? So, and this week we got as FOMC. So, I assume the large move will happen during FOMC. These are the end wall, and this one is the end dot. So price clear this sell side liquidity and go up and clear this buy side liquidity. Go down, reach this 1 hour BC, and then start to consolidate. Price hit this buy side liquidity, go down and reach this 1 hour BC again. And we also got LLL, higher time frame LLL here. But we'll see when will price go back and hit this liquidity. Probably not today. And we don't have Asian range. And we don't have Asian range today. So as usual, I don't have any daily bars today. Okay, but price pass through this 1 hour CB. So we gotta see if it go back or it's gonna strictly pass through it. Yeah, we've been consolidating these days. Get to see me back? Yes. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna like trade personal account on live stream because after getting rug pull, you just don't trust any platforms anymore. Can you please tell us about ICT FOMC protocol? I think like a day before FOMC is gonna be consolidating, and also the session before FOMC, like London session pre-NY, price gonna be suck. So we usually trade after FOMC release. You say rug pull. Yes, yes. Or it's basically rug pull, isn't it? It's not the typical rug pull, but for us, for Hong Konger, we basically got rug pull. But still, we still have a lot of platforms we can use. I'm now using Apex, Tradeify, and TPT. So, and also I'm gonna trade my personal account. So I'll be fine. I know some of you suggest some new platform like Thunderlinks, which is like they have forest platform before, and also top one futures, right? Um, I personally don't really like these platforms, so I'm gonna take a look on it and see how it goes. I won't try it now. Which personal broker you use? I'm using Ashkeer. Yeah, I would trade on my personal account, like I think on Wednesday or Thursday, because today is like price doesn't look good, so I don't think I'm gonna take any trades today. So I already type out tape reading only today because I just don't see any chance here. I mean, like maybe you can find some sell, but it's gonna be low probability sell. So I don't want to risk my personal capital, right? If I'm trading platform, it's different because like even I took a loss, I blow up the account, it won't hurt me. But if I'm trading personal account, I'm gonna be a lot more cautious. You make so much money with TBT anyway. Well, you can too. You can do it too because TBT there's no consistency rule and no payout cap for TBT. So actually, anyone can make a lot of money with TBT. Those who said that they got like challenge intraday challenge drawdown for funder accounts is trash. They just don't know how to trade platform. Challenge drawdown is not that hard. I mean, you of course you're gonna have some passing skills, but not that hard. You can definitely do it. I assure you, you guys can do it because you guys have like enough trading knowledge about it, so it won't be that hard. Yes, please don't let the work pool affect you too much. Yeah, that's why I take a week off. Yeah, I wanna like recover and make sure my psychology and my mindset is alright with all those trading. Well, honestly, I take a trade here. For like because for Apex and Shadify, you there's consistency rule, so I can make like a lot, right? I only have to make few hundred for each account, so it's not like a trading strategy. It's more like a withdrawal strategy. I took a trade here and up to I think around here, then TP. With just for reference, I trade that because I have to fulfill the trading days requirement for those funder accounts. That's all. It's not like a trade that I would take on my personal account. Can you share again your personal broker? You can, take a look on the info box. I think I post a link. It's called Edge Here. And it's a program similar to AMP. And as I know, Chase by Matt and also RIPS are using this program too. And the reason why I don't use AMP because I know ICT is using, right? So I actually opened an account with AMP too, but they got like really strict AML guidelines, so they closed my account soon. I've traded with them before, but they closed my account very soon. And as I know, um, some of the Asian traders got this problem too, like from Taiwan and also Hong Kong, and they also like have strict limit on contract size. So as I know, Trader King was trading with AMP before, and now he changed to linear trader too, right? So I guess AMP is not like the first priority for choice anymore. But if you're like American traders, maybe you can still use AMP. But for Asian traders, like we got like some political reasons for those AML thing. We can't use AMP anymore. And even if you can open it, you got banned soon. So just don't try it. Is TPT over strict funder account? No. Nope. Only eval. And I don't recommend like strict funded instant funding anymore. I've tried that, and they most of them got like very strict consistency with like 20%, and it's too expensive. So for cost effective point of view, I don't think it's worth it. And actually, I love Challenge Jordan. For Tradify, you got like strict to funded and EOD and also TDD, right? I chose TDD. Five of them I bought TDD. Even if there's a EOD choice, I still buy TDD. So it's alright for intraday Challenge Jordan. Trust me. Oh, we gotta look at the price first. We got it chit chat too much. Well, but honestly, there's nothing to see right now. Price is bullish, but we got like a lot of LLL down here, and we're in premium in the dealing range, so it's not a suitable spot to entry with long position, but it's also too bullish to like short right away. So yeah, nothing. That's nothing here. Edge Kia is a person is broker, futures broker, just like AMP. The reason that I don't use those large broker like IB Trade Station, I have account with IB and Trade Station, but I only trade stocks and ETF inside. Because as I know, I heard about like IB. If you want to trade outside New York session, you gotta have like specific settings, and the margin is higher than both AMP and HQ. What do you think about Top Step? um, if you know, you know. I've been talking about this like long, long time ago. Like Even well, I don't like it. I just have to say about that. I don't like it, and I think everyone know it. I've been talking about this even in other Discord server, not only in mine. How was your weekend? It was good. It was good. It's public holiday in my country. It's still my public holiday right now, but I've been away for a long time, so I think I have to do at least one live stream here. Yes, also got some decent critique down here. You have 50K account with Tradify? Yeah, I only trade 50K because of the Jordan to target ratio. Like for 50K, it's 1 to 1.5, but for like 100K and 150K, it's like 1 to 2. So it's easier to pass for 50K. And I've already like get used to trading with 50K, so I don't want to change it. I know what account size I have to use and how to like manage my risk, so I just continue using it. Slow Monday. Yeah. So that's why I type this out. Like I already told you at the very beginning, I'm not gonna trade today because I don't see any good setup. I'll say I don't think today is a high probability day. Oh, the trading book that I recommend in my readers, I think it's a trading psychology book, right? This one from Mark Minervini. Because I've learned Mark Minervini VCP method before, I'm no longer use it because I don't trade breakout strategy anymore. But for his trading psychology book, I think it's great. And I think I talked about it on my Twitter, like I think last year. Yeah. Okay, we got a DC here, so see price if price want to turn it into IFRG because we got like sales lots of LLL here and also in yes, but like in higher time frame we're bullish, so we gotta see if this one is gonna be a valid setup. Oh, really? Today's bank holiday in UK? I don't know. I have no idea about that. Well, I guess then we just, chit chat today with some pride, chit chat, and have a giveaway. Then it's easy, right? We don't have to share. Is 2 a.m. Eastern time too early for you guys? Because I don't know, like, what your local time is. I know we got like US trader here, and I guess you like for Americans, you guys are staying up for the night. It's too late. What too late? Wow. You're gonna buy TVT because Top Step codes your account with reason given that you access the platform with VPN. Yes, I know Top Step, like, there's a restriction for using VPN and also VPS, right? But also, as I know, there's like bunch of people out there using VPN and VPS with Top Step. So I think they just don't want you to trade with them because like bunch of American traders using VPS with them, and you don't need to like trade with Top Step like for sure, right? It just they are the platform that like be here for the longest time, but it didn't mean that they are the best. And I've been talking about this for like since last year, I think. No one believed me. Like literally no one. When I set up a vote in my Discord, in my own Discord, asking like what's your favorite platform, people still voting for Top Step. Funny. Which platform is better, Tradify or my trading future, my funded futures? My um, of course, Tradify. Of course, Tradify. You think it's just the branding, just like McDonald and Burger King? Well, I didn't even promote my fund of futures here. Can you see? I didn't even type out his link. Only Apex and Tradify and TBT. So of course there's some reason, right? I just keep consulting right now, price, barcode. Well, honestly, I don't see any long position set up right now because we got too much LRL here. So no, I won't long. The risk reward ratio is not good for any funder accounts or even personal accounts. Good to have you back. Yeah, I'm back right now. And yeah, I think I will also live stream for like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I think I will. But I always said that I wish I stream at least 4 days a week, but like in reality, I can't do that. So you gotta turn on the notification, for this channel because I really don't have a fixed schedule for my life. I'm kind of random. You want to transition from CFD to futures? What's your view on instant funding with Shadify? Well, it's great. I have to say, congratulations for making this chart because I myself also transitioned from like CFD to futures. So I definitely know what's the difference between them and also, which one is better. But for instant funding, because instant funding got 20% consistency rule. So you gotta make sure you can accept this rule. Because you gonna restrict the profit you make for 20%. And it's expensive. Even you blow up like I don't know 3 to 5 eval, you can still it's rather equal to one instant funding account. So oh Libby, hi, you're here. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. Don't you want to give away? I guess it's more like if there's like not enough now, I'm not gonna start the giveaway. All right. Really slow price session today. Like I think it's been like half hour and we are still here for 30 minutes. We are still here. Did you tune into ICT Twitter space on Saturday? Um, yes, but just for I don't think I finished the whole space because I wasn't available that time. But I'm gonna catch up later. Yeah, I hope I can find someone like have the trader one up on YouTube channel because I don't want to listen it on Twitter. I hope someone like copied that audio in YouTube. Can we share YouTube links here? I think I got restriction for posting links. Maybe you can tell them the YouTube channel name about that. The channel's name. You can tell them here. Okay, price keep going. Well, honestly, even if price eventually go to Asian high, I'm totally fine with not taking this trade. It's just too premium. It's just too premium for me. Okay, thank you. Thank you for letting me know. I think I subscribe this channel too. What? Curry? Curry says since London is boring now, you want to share? You had a very good chicken rice for brunch just now. Come on. I'm having diet this month. So so no more rice, only chicken breast and food. I hope I didn't bore you today because we really got nothing today. I already know it, but I promised to, have a live stream, so I'm gonna still doing it anyways. You took a long position. Where? Which one? Here? You took a long position here? Okay, good luck. Is it gonna be one winner or five winners? It's gonna be five separate winners. How are you guys doing now? How's your weekend? I mean, price is so boring. We gotta talk with other things because there's nothing for me to talk about in price. Weekends are always boring. Yeah, I think weekends I just spend time with ICT Twitter space, right? That's the only thing funny. You had Hanover weekend? Oh, I wish I got drunk. I wish I can have a drunk weekend. All right, keep going right now. Heading to this eco high. Very slow price action. Ah, yeah, I feel bored right now. If we're like live streaming in Discord, we can like at least listen to some music. But now, because we're in YouTube, there's copyright. We can't even do that. Let's do the first giveaway. No, I'm gonna do it later. Because finish the giveaway, I probably gonna close the stream. Can pay copyright free music. Yeah, maybe I should do at least one because I never try to use this giveaway function, so I'm not so sure if it's working or what. So maybe we should like doing a tax for one. What's your approach to deal with challenge Jordan? You either do it with full port or you either do it with scalping. And don't think of full port is gambling because when I trade eval, I usually took like total soup model with IFVG. That way we can have a very, very low stop loss. Like, I mean, if I have a stop loss, it's gonna be like very, very small, like, I don't know, 3 points or 5 points, because that model can offer tight stop loss. That's why I use it on eval. And you won't use like 2022 model to pass the eval because you're gonna have a larger stop loss. So since I have like 5 to 3 point stop loss, I'm totally fine with support, because you just know that it's gonna you're gonna pass it. You just know 50 points TP with 5 point stop loss. You just know you're gonna pass it. So, um, I mean, if you listen to the word full pot, it doesn't sound good, I know, but actually, when you're executing the strategy, it's not that gambling. It's just a lot more trading. I mean, even if you're full pot, you're still trading with a trading strategy. It's not like just enter with like random. You will do that. You still chain with a trading model. And the reason that I don't recommend funded next futures right now, because I've trading with funded next forwards before, and in forwards in CFD we got spread and slippage, right? Like huge slippage and huge spread, and it's just so obvious they manipulate the spread. You can literally see it, because I've been trading like lots of forwards platforms, so you know which one is manipulating and which one is not. And if they can manipulate the spread in forwards platforms, I don't see any reason for me to trust their futures platform. That's the reason. But of course, if you're asking me, can we like get payout with them? Maybe you can. Maybe you can, but I just don't like that. If you can do such of shady things to forwards, I bet you gonna do it in futures too. So the winners can full up 35 cons. Well, for the account, you can choose any size. You can choose 500, 300K or 50K. It just depends on which one you like. Guys, it's really boring today. I know, it's gonna be no prize session, but it's just too slow. Uh, yeah, I think we just do the giveaway, and I will end the stream soon because we got nothing to do with this live today. Like literally nothing. I don't even want to wait for 3 a.m. You know, because I know usually we gotta move at 3, but can you please teach us your first, second turtle soup model? It's just an ICT model, because these days I heard so many people like hating people for selling course or doing paid live stream service because in their mind it's like if you can make money with the trading model with the trading strategy, you won't do this kind of service. And even if you do, you won't tell everything you know because you don't want others to make money, make the same amount of money as you. I mean, those are just losers mindset, just simply loser. I mean, like ICT, his models out there for free, and me and a lot of ICT traders always said that we trade ICT trading models, right? So it's not some kind of secret. There's no secrets. It's just simply out there. You can find on YouTube. But still, people's hating this, thinking we're gonna hide something. Yeah, of course we are experienced, more experienced because we're trading this for a long time. Also, myself, I I do back testing every week. That's also make me like more familiar with how to execute with everything. Because I just saw so much hate speech these days. Those people can do it. Those people don't want to help others, so they think there won't be anyone helping. What platform do you backtest on? I backtest on TradeZilla. It's a platform for trading journal, and also you can backtest on it. And of course, if you don't want to pay like a premium service for TradeZilla, you can backtest on TradingView. That's what I did when I first trade. And for the TradingView replay function, you can save your backtesting results. Like it just and if you have used it before, you know that it's easy to like clear all those results that you made, which is a part that I don't like. And they got like limit for how many candles you can use to for backtesting. That's why I use TradeZilla because like I was already using them for trading journal. So if they got a backtesting function, why won't I use it, right? And backtesting is important. What is the reason why like a country is restricted to trade in one platform but allowed to trade in another? I think it's just business concerns rather than like a serious restriction from authority. I guess it's because they, after they calculate the risk, they um, for example, Hong Kong, we didn't provide so much profit for them, but instead we make a lot of risk for them. Then they cut me out. They cut us out. That's the reason. I think it's the main reason. Nothing about authority or like CME things. I mean, if it's something about CME, then is we can trade any personal broker if it's about CME, right? But if we can trade with brokers, there's no reason we can't trade with prop firms. It just they make the decision for their business concerns. Oh, it's a bank holiday in UK. London exchange is closed today. Okay, so I think that's the main reason why price so slow today. It's also bank holiday in my country, so maybe I should just take a break. Hong Kong can trade in APEC, but China can, which is weird. Well, you gotta ask them. Okay, let's do the giveaway now. Type APEC in chat. So you're in. I don't know if it's gonna work like seriously. Because it's my first time using this function. If not, then I've got to find another way. I've got to find another way and see how it's gonna work. Okay, is it showing? Right? Whoa, okay. Okay, it's working. Great, awesome. Type APEC in the chat. So you'll be one of the participants of this giveaway. And we will choose randomly between all those participants. It's all open and fair. Okay, it's public. It's not like I'm like making it up. How many people we got in this chat? I want everyone to in. So now 82 wait, 82 people watching this stream. So you get a high chance to get the prize. You know, we don't have like 1,000 people here watching the stream. Just 80. There's a high chance for you to get the prize. You can only enter it once, so but you can still type APEX. We've been in this range for like an hour. An hour. All right, all right. So no more participants. You get a high chance to win it. See. Hit the like button. Hit the like button for this giveaway. All right. You know, if you guys like keep on support this channel and helping it grow, I'm gonna have more giveaways coming. Okay, I'm gonna start like in at 3. I'm gonna start at 3 a.m. Yeah, more lights. We need more lights here. Still doing nothing. Price still doing nothing. Hey, thank you. Wake up. Okay, I'm gonna start now. Oh, Andrew, type something in the chat to claim your prize. Andrew, congrats. Type something in the chat. You gotta type something in the chat to claim your prize. Andrew. Andrew's not here. He's not typing. Oh my god. Alright, I saw you. Okay, so we got Andrew, and we have 4 more. We're gonna choose 4 more. Psychic Trader. Congrats. Type something in the chat to claim your prize. Alright. The third one, we are now drawing the third one. Well, how can I pronounce this name? Jacob or what? Something like that. Sorry, I'm not so sure. Please type something in the chat. Congratulations. Hey, I saw you. Okay. For those who win this giveaway, leave a comment on this video and with your email address, and I'm gonna send an email to you after this stream. Okay, the fourth one. Street Hero. Congratulations. Type something in the chat to claim your prize. Wait, no, it's all perfect and fair. It's all out there. You can see it, right? It's not like I chose it. It's the system chose it. Okay, the last one. The last one. Who didn't enter this giveaway? Enter it now. Okay, the last one here. D. Jong. Congrats. Type something in the chat to claim your prize. So for those who didn't win today, it's alright. We're gonna have more giveaways coming. Don't cry. Don't cry. No need to cry. We have more coming. Okay, for those, Andrew, Psych Trader, Jacob, Street Hero, Dijon, please leave a comment on this video with your email address, and I will send you email after this stream. All right? It's good, right? I love this. I love this function because I saw people like using Google Form for giveaway. I was like, what? Are we in 2025 or 2015? I love this. This one is easy to use. Okay, Price still doing nothing at 3 a.m. So, like, friends, for everyone's coming today. You know, it's been a while for live stream, so I'm not so sure how to make this live stream more interesting. I'm trying my best. Yes, remember to leave a comment if you win the giveaway. All right. They use the Google Sheet to gather emails for marketing later. Oh, I don't like it. If you don't want to put email here, you can like leave your Twitter handle in your comment and then use that Twitter account to DM me. All right. You can do that. Okay, so we're gonna see you on Wednesday. Yeah, because we got nothing to do with NQ. Obviously, we got nothing here, so I don't want to waste everyone's time and also my time. And we're gonna have fun again on Wednesday. See you guys soon.